Alright, guys, so in today's video, we're going to be getting 3 gold wraps in my very first Midas touch. You guys may just go like, it's a rat shield, okay? But we're going to be getting gold wrap on a secondary that's not the flipping warper, and it's the revolver. We're going to be getting golden grenade and golden flashbang. So we're going to go into a public server and try and get our Midas touch rat shield to start. Can get a quick 75 on the grenade. We might be cooked. Damn straight, boy. Dang it, being serious. And since this guy's my teammate, he's also bad, and I kind of know what he plays. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. The player has no auto shoot. By the way, I know you're not doing a vid. Okay, no, wait. We could get golden grenade out of this. Hold up, wait. Boom! Yeah! Alright, here, I'll friend him. Oh yeah, boys, let's go. Gold! Gold! Yay! Wait. What the heck is this guy doing? Stop that. Let's find out. Come on. My right shield. Riot shield. Alright. Lock in, bro. You want the skin case? You gotta come earn it. You gotta earn this. You have to earn the skin case. Yes, boys. There it is. Yo, I also don't want to have to waste my money. And also because I don't even have the funds to do that. GG. He had like so many rounds to counter. That is just not my fault. Now we're gonna be going to grab the golden rev. Oh my god, this little piece of poop just stole my limb. I'm just horrible, bro. No, I'm actually horrible. I'm horrible. Dude, this is just not. Okay, guys, here we are on our next game up on Splash. That's a clip. Is one of them like AFK or something? Oh, he's dead. Hi, bestie! We did get one extra kill that game because... Ah! Well, he's dead. Let's go, team! Wear it! 3v1 clutch. Oh my gosh, I'm the goat. Ha. Pretty light work, pretty light work, pretty light. No, just normal day, normal day. How do I have a spectator, bro? Yeah! I just hit a clip! Oh my god, yo, this guy keeps peeking. How did you die? Guys, like, let's lock in here. Also, auto shoots off, auto shoots off. Can we please lock in team, like? Well, okay, I could just wanted that hit, but predicted. Oh. Yeah, we just dropped like 8 kills, I get 10. Okay, we're gonna see which Dumbo he on the other team peaks. Oh, we got the Dumbo. Yo, these guys we just clipped these guys. Yo, hold up. Any servers though. Oh, boom, headshot. Bam. Oh, I just saw the clip. Alright, we're up on our next game here on Battleground, actually. Dang it. By the looks of it, we just lost. Melee song. Why would we be using this instead? Emoting after one round is kind of... Okay, actually, yeah, he kind of does have a right to emote. He literally just aced, bro. No. Okay, good kill, teammate. I'm so bad. We'll kill him. Yeah, okay. It's not my fault, bro. I'm getting carried by my teammate that has 1 bar. Oh my gosh. We'll see. Okay, yeah, auto shoot. I blame the auto shoot. Oh my god, that was lucky. What do you think you're doing, little boy? Bam. Oh, I saw the clip. I saw... Oh wait, he also saw the shoot. Oh my... One of my teammates just disconnected. Are we serious? Well, I guess I'll take that on him. Okay, 2v2, 2v2. Wait, let's find the other guy. He's AFK. Alright, well, I guess I'll take that free kill. And that also kill. Bet is trying to rush the AFK guy. Okay. Okay, we had to get that one with a knife. Wait, where is it? Oh, he's over here. There we go. And let's see. Oh, auto shoot is off. Oh no. Just how are you guys gonna say it now? No clue how I sold that. Our teammate got that. Oh my god. 400 damage. Oh my gosh. Crush rates? I don't think anybody would crush rates. I swear. Until I'm on the leaderboard for what? What leaderboard are we talking stuff on? Is that him right there? Oh. Go teammate, yeah! I think it's AFK, wait. Oh my god, I hit a headshot easily, huh? I think that we should just rush the AFK person again, because these teammates... Chill out. That's crazy, but alright. Alright, I think that they spawned here this time. Oh my god. Slight carry, just a slight carry. Oh, how do we... Okay, I need apparently I have to be the one that has to stay alive because otherwise our team is cooked. That's pretty embarrassing. Bop. Bop. We're just plowing right on through. Boom. Guys, it could not have been this difficult. Sniper. Unfortunately, bro, we can't be doing that here. Just another slight carry, guys. I think one more good game should get us gold. Okay. Nice. Teammate run, teammate run, teammate.
Bruh.
Oh my gosh. How? I need to do better. Like, I need to do better, dude. Okay, thank God. Oh my god, at least I got one kill, bro. Alright, so the game after this, we should probably get gold. I'm gonna assume, but very difficult. We could just lose miserably. Go teammate, you got this. Yeah. Okay, I got one. Please tell me he's probably like AFK or something. Hope he's not AFK. I can confirm he's not AFK. And I missed my shot because I'm butt cheeks. Nice. Oh. There we go. Alright. That's embarrassing. This could be so much more, bro. I was gonna... Okay, I got one. You, sir, are the final piece that I need. Never mind. Yo, so I am a seller. Just please just listen to me. I am actually truly terrible. I'm truly sorry. Yes! Alright, there we go. Boom. Bam! For the gold wrap 3v1. 2001. Yo! I'm the GOAT. 16 kill game already. Oh man. Gold. Finally. Yes. Gold. Alright, this is what it looks like on Sheriff. The pepper gun. The key Revolver, which honestly I'd like to get, but sadly don't. And then the bone claw and the glories. Let's go. Alright. Now it's finally time to get gold up on the flashbang. Let's go. Wait, how is she still alive? Okay, wait, we still got 4 though. Wait, we got 4 there. Okay, yo. My best bet, I just say, is just throw my flashes since I'm not winning this game anyway. Okay, I blinded at least one there. 87 to 88, right? How is it just me? Why makes me have them all, bro? It's 493. All right, yeah. This is actually going like really good though. So next game I will put on the battle song, guys. I swear. I threw up 2. Wait, I think he flew out of the map. Dang, I actually wanted... Dang, this I wanted to actually fight. We could potentially be able to give you more... We might be able to get this round, this match, keep it going. Never mind. We're 1 off, are we serious? No. Yes. Nowadays, I don't really care. I got a gold flashbang. Bam. I don't really like it, but this is what it looks like with shining star, pixel, light bulb. The disco ball looks best if we're being completely. And